we have to find the total cost after 10 years. We have definition that cost is equal 500, and in parentheses we have 25 plus 3 times definite integral from 0 to x. X is years. So we have given that we have to find the total cost after 10 years. So in this example, our x is equal 10. So we will copy our formula. We have 500 and in parentheses we have 25 plus 3. Definite integral from 0 to 10 will be, I just substitute x by 10, and we have t to power 1 over 4 dt. First we have to find this definite integral. So first we have to copy 500 plus, and in parentheses we have 25 plus 3 times integral of t to power 1 over 4 is t to power 5 over 4. I have to just add 1 to 1 over 4, so it's 5 over 4. And denominator is always the same like exponent, so we have 5 over 4. Of course, here is multiplication. And we have definite integrals, so we have to plug upper and lower limits from 0 to 10. So this is equal. I have to copy. And of course, I should put here multiplication, because we have multiplication at the beginning. So we have 500 times, and in parentheses we have 25 plus 3 times, we have to flip the denominator, so will be times 4 over 5, and we have t to power 5 over 4 limits from 0 to 10. So this is equal 500 times, of course, 25 plus 3 times 4 over 5 is 12 over 5. And now we have to plug first upper limit and lower limit. When we substitute t by 10, so we will have 10 to power 5 over 4, and we have to subtract the lower limit. When we substitute t by 0, so it will be 0 to power 5 over 4 is 0. 0 times 4 over 5 will be still 0. So we don't have to do this. And we have that this is equal. We can use calculator. We have 500, and in parentheses we have 25 plus 12 over 5 times, and in parentheses I can put 10 to power, and again in parentheses I put 5 over 4. Close parentheses. This is equal 33,839.35 we can write. So I have to add only dollars symbol. This is my solution.